Alright, what's going on YouTube? Got some more breaks today. Got the authentic memorabilia again. Got two of them this time though. We're gonna open them up. Try to do this quick break. Last video was a little bit long, so try to speed this one up a little bit quicker. Do these one at a time, I guess. First pack, 2007 Fleer, 2008 Upper Deck, and 2007 Tops mystery pack. Alright, let's see what we got in these things. Alright, let's see here. Nothing. Pepperell, Mickey Mantle, throwback, whatever. Yeah. Opening day, New York Yankee Stadium, Miguel Tejada, and Ichiro. I always like those good looking cards. I mean, obviously the autograph's not real on them, but still cool looking. Alright. Pack number 2. Let's see what we got. This bunch of base. Small card, Johnny Peralta. Rookie card, Ryan Sweeney. Rookie card of Kevin Hooper. And rookie sensations, Ricky Nolasco. And Griffey, last card. Let's see. Upper deck. Alright, so apparently there's a trick to these that I haven't figured out yet. There we go. Oh, these are cool looking. Joe Mauer, Lance Berkman, Cole Hamill, X. Well, that's kind of weird looking. Never seen that before. Ichiro, and what do we have? Oh, what is this number? No. These are weird. They have like a raised card on, a raised field at the back of them. Alright. And Kerry Wood. Let's see here. That's still red. I never saw that. Okay. I'll quit babbling here. Get on to the first mystery. Drum roll. And it is Jason Varitek. And I don't know if you guys can see that or not. We got a little bit of pinstripe right there. It's pretty dirty. Oh, it's game use. That's why it's so dirty. And that's from let's see, 2007 Bowman Sterling, and that is not numbered. Good looking card. Alright, cool hit. Alright, let's get the second pack. Authentic memorabilia, number 2. Yeah, I mean, I'd like to get some higher end stuff. Maybe some, Topps Platinum or whatever. Just, it's just so damn expensive lately. Same packs in these, sorry. It's just so expensive lately. I was looking online. I mean, the box is 80, 100 bucks. That's just for, what most people can afford. But just, times are tough and paying my way through school, so, can only afford these $10 packs right now. So appreciate you guys watching, bearing with me. I'm sure all you guys know what I'm saying here. Alright, for the Fleer, Sean Henn rookie, Andrew Miller rookie, rookie sensation of Matt Garza, rookie sensation of Jared Weaver. And we have a crowning achievement, David Ortiz. Cool looking card, not numbered. Okay, I'll do the tops next. Man. Alright. Rookie card, Juan Salas, Chris Shelton, Andrew Jones, Randy Johnson, Mark, not gonna try that one, Garrett Atkins. Await upper deck. Justin Upton, Cole Hamels, for another thingy. Jason Varitek, X Potential, not numbered. Josh Beckett and Garrett Atkins. It's a cool looking card, that X Potential. And our second hit is going to be hopefully something real good. Let's see, Jim Edmonds, Scrapbook Materials, Upper Deck Portraits, one color again. That is not numbered, and that is from 2005, Upper Deck. So we have the portrait, and where did the other one go? Here it is. The portrait and the Varitek. Neither of those are numbered. Good looking cards though. Let me know if you know, for trade or sale, whatever. We got the one color of who was that? Jim Edmonds, and the you guys can barely see that. That looks like a blue or darker colored pinstripe. So yeah, all right. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.